very big believer in subscribe and save, and any product that is replenishable at all, I believe in the beginning you have to focus on building up the subscribers very quick, and the way that I do that is, first of all, I start at a low price. But what I do is I put a very aggressive coupon, usually about 30% off the first purchase, and I enroll in creator connections, and I make a message to the creator to promote it. Of course, they're promoting it to people. A lot of creators suck, they'll promote it to everyone, but if you like very specific in what you tell them, the type of product it is and who you're targeting, they'll promote it to the right people. And if you're selling a supplement, like if somebody's selling a dog supplement and I don't have a dog, I don't want your supplement at all, even if you're giving it to me for free. Targeting the right people that are gonna purchase your product. If they're targeting somebody and giving them, okay, they're putting out a post, this product is 30% off your first subscribe and save purchase, the people that they're targeting are real customers that will really purchase it. So last year, we had 11,000 subscribers in January. This year, January, we had 22,000. And the retention rate that we're seeing is 65.2%. After 90 days from being aggressive with pushing subscribe and save. If you're giving products to people and telling them that you're gonna reimburse them like 100% off, again, the same thing, they all want something that they could actually use. So don't be cheap and say, okay, I'm gonna give them 100% off and I don't want them using my subscribe and save coupon. Let them all subscribe and save. First of all, it sends very good signals to Amazon. It's hard to explain it because they're not, they're searching one time for the keyword and then buying it. So, all the reorders that they're getting from subscribe and save, you might think like they're not searching the keyword again, but it sends very, very good signals to Amazon when they see that you have a very high subscription rate and also that they stick. A lot of times if we're running low on stock, we shut off the subscribe and save, the additional coupons. We try to reduce it as much as possible because one of the worst things is if you have a lot of subscribers and then they leave for whatever reason, they're gonna choose another competitor and Amazon really hates that. So like if I have a product, I subscribe to a lot of products personally, and if I have I'm subscribed to something and all of a sudden I see that it's delayed, I'm gonna cancel my subscription and I'm gonna find another competitor who has a similar type of product and I'm gonna use their coupon and subscribe, and if I like their product, I'm going to stick with it. So again, price aggressively in the beginning. When you increase your price down the road, they're getting, let's say, 10% off of your price. So you're increasing your price later on. They're still getting a 10% discount, but off of your new price. And I'm very aggressive with coupons. Very big believer in the first time subscribe and save coupon. Once I don't see a lot of big difference between not the first time, but just a regular subscribe and save going from 15% to 10%. I don't see like a very big difference like that. I think once somebody likes your product, they're going to stay there. But like the biggest thing is the creators, make a very good message to them, tell them to promote it to the right audience, and put a very high budget with the creator connections, like max it out, put like $50,000. Tell them, because when they see that they have a big budget that they believe, and you extend the time that you're allowing them to post, if you tell them they only have 2 months to post and they're going to post online on different blogs to try to get you sales, they're not going to, they're going to say, they need a few weeks maybe to put it out there and it's going to take time. And then one other thing that really made a very big difference is in the EBC, we started putting pictures of like people where they're saying 3 months results, like they're showing, so to make the people actually realize that it takes longer than 1 month to see the results from the product. So if you're selling like a dog supplement for the fur growing, like you want to show, okay, but not like just nano banano professional images, like images from like people, like review type of images, and it really gets inside the customer's mind. And yeah, I don't know if I have so much else. 65% retention rate was the biggest thing that you might think a lot of these people are just going to abuse us to get extra money from that coupon, just to try to steal from you. And some people do, but the people that you're targeting that are wanting, they want a need for this product. It's like they're an actual consumer. And the lifetime value I see, for a non-subscriber is $100, and for the lifetime, I'm seeing $395. So like subscribe and save is really one of the most important things. And I don't believe in the beginning, like Yeah, obviously you don't want to lose too much money, but the main thing is build up the subscribers and try to never run out of stock. If you're running low on stock, shut off those aggressive coupons.